This is the second video. In order to practice pronunciation, we're going to sing a song that I learned on a playground in Guatemala. Some kids taught it to me. If you've ever sung the Barney song, I like to eat apples and bananas, where you change the vowel every time, and then you sing, I like to eat apples and bananas, I like to eat apples and bananas, changing the vowels. This is what you're doing here, and this will just help your pronunciation. So what you are required to do, you lucky student you, is learn how to sing the song, and then you sing it to me on a Flipgrid assignment so that I know that you're practicing it. Alright, first thing we note, you have the 2 lines before and after. This is to tell that you are going to sing this 2 times. So what we are singing is Una mosca parada en la pared, which means a fly stopped on the wall. Then una mosca, a fly, una mosca, a fly, una mosca vestida de mujer, a fly dressed like a woman. Remember that you have the upside down exclamation point. I hope you laughed when you heard that if you hadn't heard the song before. Upside down exclamation point just warns you that you hit an exclamation point at the end of the sentence. Okay, I'm going to sing the first verse for you. And I believe that you can slow down or speed up this video. So you do as you need to do. I'm going to go kind of slow to begin with. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Una mosca parada en la pared. Una mosca parada en la pared. Una mosca, una mosca, una mosca vestida de mujer. Next time you go through, you're going to change every single vowel to an A. Please note, you have a few things in here that might throw you off. For example, that J in mujer sounds like an H, so you have mujer. And I think that's the only one that I've got on here to... Okay, let's go ahead with an A. So with the letter A sounds like ah. So you would have, ready? Uno, try to sing with me if you can. Pretend like I'm there looking at you and trying to convince you to sing with me or to sing solo for the class. Uno, dos, tres. Ana mosca parada en la pared. Ana mosca parada en la pared. Ana mosca, ana mosca, ana mosca bastada da mahar. Then the letter E sounds like A. If you notice, the spelling has changed here because that QU makes it sound like mesque. If it had a C there, it would be mese. And if you go back up to your pronunciation of the letter C, that would make sense. So let's sing. Uno, dos, tres. Ene mesque pared en la pared. Ene mesque pared en la pared. Ene mesque, ene mesque. Ene mesque vestida de mujer. Anna just noticed I had a typo right there, so sorry. Let's go over to the E. Top of the second column sounds E. This to me sounds kind of Russian for fun. Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Ini miski piri din lipiri. Ini miski piri din lipiri. Ini miski. Ini miski vestidi de mujer. The O still sounds like an O. Be careful with your southern drawl. Make it a crisp O, so it's just O, not O. Uno, dos, tres. Ono mosco poro don lo poro. Ono mosco poro don lo poro. Ono mosco, ono mosco. Oh no, Moscow was todo do mejor. The U is my favorite because it looks like you're blowing kisses at people. Put your mouth in a really tight U shape so that you're saying, and make sure you're not uno musco, you are doing crisp sounds. Uno, dos, tres. Uno musco puru dun lupuru. Uno musco puru dun lupuru. Uno musco, uno musco, uno musco, bustudo do muhur. Okay, On the Flipgrid, I would like for you to sing the whole song for me. You can be looking at it while you're doing it, but just to practice it. And pointer at the bottom of that page. I had typed in my Alabaster City Schools email address. I want you to use, please, the esevilla@montevallo.edu. And when you are using Quizlet for your vocabulary, mine is listed under Profe Loca. Please notice Profe, teacher, Loca, crazy. And thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the song. Please remember, sing it in the shower. Sing it as you are going places, as you are doing things, because it's a happy song and because you love me, and that's why you want to. Have a happy day. Bye.